Imagine this, you're scrolling through YouTube and bam, you come across the coolest 2D animation you've ever seen. Think Studio Ghibli meets Spider-Man, and here's the crazy part. The whole thing was created by AI. Yep, this is real, and it's happening right now. In this Hailuo AI tutorial video, we're diving into Hailuo's brand new image-to-video feature, a game-changing update that takes your static 2D images and transforms them into dynamic, smooth, and downright mind-blowing animations. And I'm going to show you how to make your own amazing animations, step by step. If you're new to Hailuo AI, here's a quick rundown. It's basically like having an AI wizard in your computer. You throw it an idea, a quirky doodle, a detailed 2D concept, or even a random napkin sketch, and Hailuo turns it into a full-blown video masterpiece. But what makes Hailuo's newest update so special is how it's leveled up 2D animation. Before, AI-generated animations were, let's just say, not exactly Pixar quality, but now, Hailuo can deliver smooth, professional animations that'll have your audience asking, wait, you made this? Okay, so let's talk about this game-changing new update. Hailuo's newest update, which they're calling Live, is designed to revolutionize how 2D illustrations come to life. According to Hailuo themselves, the new update supports a wide range of artistic styles, empowering you to expand your creative expression and bring your art to life with unparalleled fluidity and finesse. And I think the reviews speak for themselves. Now, to put this into perspective, a simple animation with just some basic details can take up to 4 weeks to complete, and Hailuo can create mind-blowing animations in minutes. Just think about that for a minute. Alright, so now that you've seen what Hailuo can do, it's time to learn how to use Hailuo to bring your own ideas to life. First things first, log into your account. If you're not signed up yet, don't worry. It's quicker than deciding what to eat for dinner. Once you're in, click on the Create section on the side. You'll notice there are two options to choose from, text to video and image to video. That's the one we want. Simply click inside the magic box and upload your image. Don't have one yet? That's a bit awkward. No worries, I'll show you how to generate any image you want completely for free. Simply open up a new tab and head over to Leonardo AI. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Once you sign up for an account, you'll be given 150 free tokens that you can use to generate images. Click on the Image Creation section and select your preferred image presets. This is what I usually go with, but feel free to play around with different settings and see what works best for you. Next, we need to give Leonardo our idea in the form of a prompt. If you're struggling with this, you can always use ChatGPT to brainstorm some ideas for you. We'll go with this detailed prompt for now, and I'll make sure to include it in the description below so you can try it out for yourself. Then, just click Generate and watch Leonardo work its magic. Okay, these actually look incredible. Go ahead and download your images, and let's jump back over to Hailuo. Click this button here to upload your image, and let's add a similar detailed prompt to help guide it. Remember, the clearer your instructions are, the better the results will be. Now, this is the important part, so pay attention. Make sure to click this drop-down box and select Hailuo's newest update. Click Create and let Hailuo work its magic. And just like that, we have an amazing animated video which was made from a single still image. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Now that you know the basics, let me share some pro tips with you to get the most out of Hailuo's latest update. First, focus on clarity. Start by choosing a high-quality, detailed image as your base. When crafting your prompts, be descriptive about the action you want. For example, instead of just telling it to make the dragon fly, try something like create smooth wing flaps with a golden dragon flying gracefully through a sunset sky, leaving a shimmering trail of sparks. This gives the AI a clear vision to follow. Second, don't overlook lighting and effects. Subtle touches, like adding glowing embers or magical sparkles, can elevate your animation from good to mind-blowing. Hailuo's tools allow you to experiment, so test out different prompts to see what brings your vision to life. And last but not least, take advantage of Hailuo's pre-designed templates. These are a goldmine when you're running low on inspiration. And that's a wrap. Now that you know how to use Hailuo, it's time to unleash your imagination and bring your own ideas to life. Go wild, create something epic, and don't forget to share your results in the comments below. Oh, and if you like Hailuo, then you're gonna love this video. It's about an AI tool called Suno, and it can make professional music with the click of a button. Yeah, pretty crazy.